Hit hard with the power outages, just another example of how hot weather is putting a strain on the power grid. NBC4's Tracy Leong is live in Silver Lake, where she spoke to people who live there. Tracy.
Yeah, Kathy, unfortunately, the LA Department of Water and Power has restored a majority of those outages here in the county, including Silver Lake. But as of last check, about 15,000 still remain in the dark, and officials are urging people to try and conserve energy whenever safely possible. The high demand for electricity during the extreme heat put a strain on the power grid. The LA Department of Water and Power reporting about 70,000 customers lost power during the heat wave.
Hot and nerve-wracking because we've been with 25 hours now since this went out. Friday was off and on. It seemed like it got fixed, and then yesterday went out permanent.
Crews have been actively working around the clock to restore power and reduce the equipment's temperature to prevent permanent damage. Customers patiently waiting for their power to be restored made their own adjustments to make it bearable without AC.
Going outside, getting cooled off with a hose or something, cooking outside. I think falling asleep is just the hardest part, just because, there's been very little breeze and the fans aren't blowing, obviously.
Well, it's slower. I'm not running inside and checking on the email all the time or communicating with anybody particularly, because everybody's just sort of down, hot, and miserable. And some people are kind of angry.
LADWP is prioritizing areas with the longest durations of outages and with the largest number of customers. They're also reminding people to help out by conserving electricity whenever possible, by limiting their use of major appliances between the hours of 4 and 9 p.m., shutting off the AC if they leave their home and there are no pets inside, and turning off lights and equipment when not in use. LADWP's response time is about 4 to 12 hours, but because of the high demand, they warn it could take more than 24 hours for some customers. Reporting live in Silver Lake, Tracy Leong, NBC4 News.